me. Circle them suddenly, leave them ends ugly with the case fear with double D.
At the clock, swing your pussy pon and over so fast, so fast. Who the fuck is money? Keep along some with me.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Shooting gone at a nightclub where Malidan was slated to perform in Canada. Rest in peace to that female will lose her life. Alkaline kick off 2024 with a banger. But viewers and subscribers, did Massacre girlfriend get this in the process? Big war gone between members of the 6 camp and other gang members. 3 members from the 6 camp get killed one time, including Jman. Viewers and subscribers, this war has been brewing for a very long time. Now it has erupted into lethal violence. I've been tracking it for a while, but I don't know how to do it over Line TV. We'll wait, make everything play out, make sure I say, yo, we get the credible information before we run with it. Now is the time to present it to you, viewers and subscribers. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel on the reach this far. So please may I ask you to give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, we see which part Queen Ifrica say Pablo YG. You see what I say? Young talent. Queen Ifrica make you know say, yo, this youth, this artist have crossover talent. Now, big up yourself, Queen Ifrica. But I always wonder why it is always when a foreigner, when somebody outside of the country, somebody else that are own, looking in on our artists, and not just our artists, but people in general, you get the love outside first. That is when inside people start get the love and start see your potential and start see your talent. Pablo YG, wicked piece of talent. We talk about that every day, and we see him do in fact we see this brother on TikTok react to one of Pablo YG performance. I think it named Pan the Black, something of that sort, and yo, it has gone viral. And that is the video where I think Queen Ifrica see and I say, yo, him have crossover talent. No, yo, this youth and a normal talent. Down to yesterday in the video when I upload the last video for 2023, we speak about Pablo YG. You saw me I say, no, as when me say, nothing is wrong with Queen Ifrica forward and say this and no bash me, I bash Queen Ifrica. Big up yourself, a truth attack. You saw me I say, but it's just so sad if you know say, this is how she come to recognize an artist like this. Remember, you know, the same track when I perform, you know, Richer and Richer, him do that track months ago, you know. But now, when this brother see it and react to it, that's when everybody has it. But big up yourself, Queen Ifrica. Big up yourself, Pablo YG. Go on with viewers and subscribers. Tell me your thought about that in the comment section down below. We are move right along.
I forget my devil, nothing say nothing again to me accurate. Pantiless, how she want to link me up in flash the way I'm dressed.
So Malidan, he was slated to perform at a nightclub in Canada. I think it name or the area name Mississauga, something of that sort. That's what I say. But for whatever reason, a female got shot and killed. Now the police them still a try investigate to identify if the shooting go on inside of the nightclub or outside of the nightclub. But for whichever wherever it happened, a female lost her life. Very sad. You see what I say? We see Malidan posting him condolences and sending out some strength to the families. And yo, this is not something easy for your artist. Enough time artists go certain place and certain things happen. And you know, one little incident and maybe little injury, but the magnitude of death and enough artists go through this. You see what I say? A big artist like Taylor Swift and them people, the Michael Jackson, Stampede, go on, Heatwave, etc. So for Malidan, I go through something like this is not a good feeling. You see what I say? But Malidan, go on hold it. Go on stay strong. You see what I say? Fans them a forward out to see you. It's sad to see this go on. But big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thought about this female, 19-year-old of that, losing her life by the bullet of a gun while attending Malidan's show. We are move right along.
Uptown still I want to go, but is I get a man I don't go no days I feel like them then I new to one. But in 3 branch road to do.
So Alkaline kick off 2024 with a banger. And when I say banger, me I talk about real banger. Yeah man is a girl song titled Lump Sum. Viewers and subscribers, me not vote enough about yo, we are go right in the song right now. We are go check out P-side, see what I go on, what Alkaline I say.
We have a dress, we have a do me thing, them camp on my flex. Well, them out and road, them recognize and want me as the best, them coulda pretty like a one full.
Yo, as you know, for the girl them and then kick it off well, wicked, wild and mean. That's what me as a viewers and subscribers. Me not nothing to say about it, so we are gonna play some more. Yeah man, the line about me have to talk about it. The man say curriculum register him have in one class. And as students, as teachers, principal, etc., people in the education system, you know say as a teacher, you have a register. You see what me I say? If you keep a track of the students them in your class, mark them present and absent daily. Not only that, you have a curriculum to follow, a guide for use to teach the students so that everybody depend the same. It's a level playing field. And at that Alkaline I say, yo, when it come on to girl and them thing there, him have in curriculum, have in register. Yo, and him even go a next step further than that. Him have him one a class. Viewers and subscribers, we'll check out piece more.
To the next wash go clean and iron still no mean say that today. Why me have my life live? Open up get what me say. Uptown to the next.
Viewers and subscribers, the line have me puzzled. I'ma make them know say yo, watch now. The girl them coulda wash, could clean, them coulda do everything. But yeah what? Him just a move on. You see what me I say? Him now settle down. Cause what? Him have him life he live. And yo, me there and it a puzzle me and me I wonder. If a shade them a try shade Massacre, we don't know Massacre and him girlfriend got to work already. Regardless of his song them when him sing, regardless of the things them when him do, it's almost like a dancehall royalty, like what Vybz Kartel and Shorty did have. You see what me I say? But you know Vybz Kartel is a different case. Vybz Kartel did actually go out a road. Massacre seems to me like he must stay as loyal as possible, which nothing wrong. So it begs the question, is Alkaline speaking of Massacre? Remember, you know, Massacre just dropped him album. Him have a song titled, I think, Fight For Us, something of that sort to the man fave. And in it, and them things them a talk about, make them know, say, yeah, man, I want to spend the rest of my life with, yo, me I go fight and do everything just to make sure, say, yo, I just the two away alone. So is it possible? See a Massacre him attack? Or him just a do him song, no care about what nobody say. Him just a make the girl them know, say, yeah, man, I want to draw you in my room and so me I say, do everything I want, anything I want. But yeah, you see when morning come, me on to the next. Viewers and subscribers, we are move right along. But in the meantime, check out piece more of Alkaline song Lump Sum, a wicked way to kick off the ball game for 2024 season. Viewers and subscribers, we reach the sad part of the video, but I don't know. We have to bring it to you. You see what me I say? So 3 members of the 6 camp has been killed in Trinidad. Yeah man, 3 members of the 6 camp has been killed in Trinidad, and you have a 4th person that died in the shooting incident who wasn't a part of the 6 camp, no have nothing to do with nothing we are going. You see what me I say? Wrong place, wrong time, stray bullet. You see what me I say, viewers and subscribers. Now the intended target was a member from the 6 camp by the name of Kman. You see what me I say? Him and the intended target. Viewers and subscribers, yo, that one is ugly. When me say ugly, me mean ugly. And as what me say, I've been tracking this story for the longest while, but it has finally come to terms with everything that has been happening for the longest while. So yeah, who remember the incident with Jman in Lauderdale, Florida? Remember, the police, they were able to pin the double homicide on Jman because of videos and pictures were posted of himself on Instagram wearing the same clothing when wear go on the shooting incident. You see what me I say? Kman, him and him entourage traveling from Barbados, them decide to post a picture, you see me, at the airport. Make the people them know say, yeah man, we are touched back down in a Trinidad. You see what me I say? And the gangsters them, the people them were after him, lay wait and ambush him on the highway. Viewers and subscribers, when me I read the news down at Trinidad and I actually picture all this thing play out, All I am seeing is a movie. According to the police, after them leave the airport, dip on the highway and go home, a black car, pull up on them and start spray them with bullet. You see what me I say? Wicked, wicked. Now the driver see what go on and him speed off, and you know what go on? High speed chase. You see what me I say? Them chase them down and them a spray the car with bullets. Same way. Now the car where them a chase actually crash. You see what me I say? After the car crash, the man them go over the driver, were pinned down in the car and load him up with bullet. Kman, the whole of him friend them, Jman, everybody start scatter and a run in all direction. So what the man them do? Them start run down who them can run down, shoot who them can shoot. After the shooting stop, them notice 3 members from the 6 camp dead a road like dog. You see what me I say? Brawling, including one by the name of Jman. Now, viewers and subscribers, this Jman is not the Jman where we know where they produce music for squash. Is not the Jman we lock up in Florida. Is a different one when named Jman CM6 camp where they are Trinidad. You see what me I say? Another person look like say yo she did just a look through fair window ending up dead. Yo, me I tell you, that is so sad. You just debo your business there in your own house, shooting a gun, a peep through one window to see what really happen, what really take place. Only if you know say yo, one of them bullet they catch you and take you out. Viewers and subscribers, it is really sad. You see what me I say? Now earlier me tell you, say the intended target was a man by the name of Kman 6, who is a member of the 6 camp. And basically, this man look like say yo, him ready for dead. Yeah man, because we see him go up on IG even after that, even up until now, cause this incident happened like 3-4 days ago. Something of that sort as well. Me say, we just like give time for marinate, make sure say yo, all of the Trinidad news outlets put out the right things so that we can look through them and see and make sure say, yeah man, accurate information, credible information. Yes, what me I say. But what me I say, obviously, there is going to be retaliation. Kman 6, yo, the man I take this thing for joke. Yes, what me I say. Up until a few hours I'm going to keep on a post, and based on the post then when I make, he might tell you say retaliation and go on. He might tell you point blank say, yo, be sorry for the man that will pull the trigger. It nah go down like this. It nah go end nice. Yes, what me I say. And yo, really I me I meditate and me I say, yo, what really I go on with the 6 camp? This 6 camp, yo, Jaja, out ya, them a kill off themselves. Trinidad, them a kill off themselves. Yo, like, what really I go on? 6 is not the first camp in a dancehall if have other camps in other countries or if have other affiliates in other countries. But we see them a kill off them one another out here, and 99.9% of the times whenever war are going with the 6, it is internal war. It's not a really stranger. A friend turn pan friend a bad mind friend. Viewers and subscribers, it don't look good. You see what I say? And even though all of this are going in a Trinidad, yo, it might spill over to elsewhere. You see what I say? The amount of man from the 6 will get killed, not just in a Trinidad alone. Also in a Jamaica and America. One camp. Viewers and subscribers, we have a few other artists, we are going bad. Right now, them me not even call them name. That's what me I say. That affiliate or did have some form of affiliation with the 6 camp. And we see them kind of Lego them thing there. And I hope say, yeah, them just don't take up back that 6 manica, yeah. Because for some reason, it is not a good manica for run with. 6, first thing first, I don't know how they come up with a name like that. It's catchy, yes, and people will run with it. But if you really look into the, Jaja, viewers and subscribers, we're not going to further. As when I say, 3 members from the 6 camp were gunned down in Trinidad after posting a picture of them traveling from Barbados to Trinidad, and them get ambushed by the highway man, spray them wicked. War start now. Retaliation look like it all go on. Stay tuned. Any update we are bringing to your viewers and subscribers. Bless up.
Bubbly, circle them suddenly, leave them ends ugly with the case with